what you're trying to do here is you're trying to find x, right? If we have the two triangles, we have this large right angle triangle, and then we have a smaller right angle triangle inside. We know they're right angles, so we can use Pythagorean theorem, good. And if I separate the two triangles like we've done there and label them, let me just draw this one. So what you've done here is, because we have two unknowns in the orange triangle, we can't solve that, okay? Because you have to know at least two side lengths in a triangle in order to solve it in the right angle triangle. So we can start by solving this length, which is actually the length from here to here, right? It's the whole length of the yellow triangle. So we're going to use Pythagorean theorem. Okay. We always have to label the hypotenuse C, and the hypotenuse is located across from the right angle. And we can call either of these A or B. Which one? You made this B, and this is A. So A squared plus B squared equals C squared. We're finding B, so let's replace A and C. A is 2.2 squared plus B squared equals 6.4 squared, and we're going to use a calculator to simplify this. What's 2.2 squared? 4.84 plus B squared equals 40.96. Okay, now what's the next step to isolate B? Okay, so we need to subtract 4.84 from 40.96, and what do you get?
36.12.
Okay, so B squared equals 36.12, and then how do we find B?
By doing the square root.
Good.
6.
6.0 when we round it off, so just, yeah, 6, or we'll leave it as one decimal place since the question was one decimal place, so because it's 6.00, we'll just leave it at 6.0 meters, okay? So B is equal to 6.0 meters, and let's go back to the original diagram. So the length from here to here, the whole length is 6.0 meters, right? Because we found the length of the yellow triangle. But what do you know about the yellow triangle? What does this mean? These lines. So the length from here to here is the exact same as the length from here to here. So if the whole thing is 6 and it's cut into two parts, can you find the length of each of the parts? What would it be? Okay, so we would divide it by 2 because it's cut into two parts, so it would be 3 meters. So this is 3 meters and this is 3 meters. Well, what does this section, so from here to here, what does that represent? What part of, what color triangle is that? It's the orange triangle, right? This is 3 meters. So now you have a new length of your orange triangle. Can you find X now that you know
Yes.
two side lengths from the orange triangle? Yep. So now we know that the one of the legs of the triangle is 3 meters, and we need to find X. Once again, this X is located across from the right angle, so that would be what, A, B, or C?
C.
Good, it's the hypotenuse, and which one do you want to call A or B?
2.2 is A.
Okay, so this is A again, and we know B, we can solve for C. So A squared plus B squared, we're using Pythagorean theorem. A is 2.2 squared, B is 3 squared, and we need to find C. Okay, we simplify the left side. 13.84 equals C squared. How do you find C?
You square root.
Square root, good. What's the square root of 13.84? Round it off to one decimal place. It's approximately equal to 3.7. So therefore, X in the diagram is approximately equal to 3.7 meters.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.